Hello everyone, just wanted to show you a little bit of what we do. This is more service work that we do. That was the meter base. A car hit a telephone pole, which a transformer surged and it blew out the meter, as well as surged through the house. You can see here a outlet melted. There was actually aluminum wire in the house, which is illegal in our area, so we got to rip them out. This is a service panel that the ground neutral was not working, and we were trying to figure out why. Well, obviously that's why. Water got into the main line that goes to the panel, and it just corroded at like 4 or 5 different spots the neutral ground wire. So there's the finished product, brand new wire hooked up to it. This is a bus bar that had water corrosion on it, and we ripped the panel out. Somehow it got in the main area where the wires were, and it just leaked down into the bus bar. This was a panel that got blown up. There was a nail through the wire. They pulled the siding off, and when they did, the nail finally made contact and it went kapoof and started on fire. This is a no-no. 3 wires in a breaker. You do not do that. Not okay. These are 3 panels we were called in to condense into one. We had to figure out what all those wires were doing and then get it into another panel. It was crazy. This is one job my husband did. That's the rusted cover of the panel. That was the main reason they wanted to replace them. And here's the final product. Much better. Nice, clean, and everything's taken care of. This is a project we got to work on for my husband's parents. I'm pounding the ground rod in. That is not my normal work attire. My husband's putting the panel in, and if the pictures are blurry, it's because my daughter was taking them. And here's the final product. This is the actual panel, and this is the meter base. I think they look good. This was a fun panel. Ugh, I actually had to sit down. It was the 2nd story, and I had to figure out what wires did what and get them all taken out and then put them back. I don't have a final product of this. This was my first meter base that I had to do. The ones with the red circles, they were corroded and not working. So it was kind of arcing. There was a bunch of stuff going on, and this is the final product. Looks much better. Hello everyone, Queen Electric with GKM Electric. Thank you for watching.